First of all, what went through my mind.
Do you know what's cooler than scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m.? Making serious cash while doing it? Well, sort of. Today I'm spilling the beans on how you can make money online. No investments, no gimmicks, just your brain power and a Wi-Fi connection. Yes, Karen, even you can do this. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only be ready to dive into the world of digital marketing, but might just be thanking me when you're sipping lattes on a Tuesday morning instead of clocking into the 9-to-5 grind. So, what's the deal with digital marketing? Think SEO, email marketing, or managing PPC campaigns. Fancy terms, right? But let me break it down. SEO is just making websites look pretty for Google. Email marketing? Sending emails that don't land in spam. And PPC campaign management is like being a digital traffic cop. Except you get paid and don't have to deal with road rage. Now here's the kicker. You don't need a degree, fancy software, or even a suit and tie. Just some free tools, your trusty laptop, and boom, you're in business. You're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But let me tell you, it's not magic, it's logic. Businesses need digital marketing pros. They don't care if you're running this from your mom's basement. As long as you deliver, you're golden. And guess what? Free tools like Google Analytics and MailChimp are your BFFs. All right, let's talk money. First, build a portfolio. Yes, even if you're starting fresh. Offer free or low-cost services to friends, family, or small businesses. Then, hit up freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Pro tip, create a LinkedIn profile that screams digital marketing wizard. Add glitter if you must. And here's the best part, this hustle can grow. You start small, then charge bigger bucks as you gain clients and experience. Imagine charging $500 per campaign a few months from now. That's a Netflix subscription for life. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're officially on the road to being a digital marketing rock star. But remember, the secret sauce here is consistency. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep pitching. Now smash that like button, comment below with, "I'm starting my digital marketing journey." And share this video with a friend who needs to stop procrastinating. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, because next week we're talking about a different way of how to earn money. You don't want to miss that.